Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to dropship from Shein to Shopify. So first that we have to do is we have to open any of our web browser and then go to Shein. So right here, you can sign up for an account on Shein, or you can also not create an account. So we just have to explore the products, okay? And then make sure that you have logged in to your Shopify store. So to do that, you just have to open a new tab and then go to shopify.com and then make sure to log in to your Shopify account. So right here, you just have to click on logged in or start free trial. And once you're back here, you just have to click on the apps option, this one at the left side of your screen. So just click on apps and then click on add apps, and you'd be redirected to this page. Now you just have to click on the Shopify App Store. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds and then you'll be able to see this page. And then using the search bar at the top, you just have to type out Importify. Okay, so just click on enter. And then when you scroll down, you'd be able to see these two options. So you can select any of this. So here, Importify Easy Drop Shipping. You just have to click on it and then just have to scroll down and read the description of this product. So if you don't want to read the description, so just go ahead and install this one. So right here, you'd be able to see the pricing of this product. Okay, so now let's install this app. So you just have to click on the install button. So this one over here. And then you'd be redirected to a new tab. So just wait for a couple of seconds. And then you'll be able to see this install button, this one at the bottom right. So just click on it. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. And then once you're here, you just have to select your plan. Okay, so you can go ahead and click on the basic, the premium, or the gold. So when you select any of this, you've got a 1-day free trial. So you just have to click on select. And then next thing that you should do is you have to go ahead and select the product that you want to import to your Shopify store from Shein. Okay, and then before that, let us go ahead and open a new tab and add the Importify extension to our web browser. Okay, so to do that, you just have to click on this plus icon at the top of your screen or click on to add a new tab. Okay, and then what you're going to do next is you just have to type out Importify extension. Okay, so let me just type out Importify extension and then just have to click on enter. And you'd be able to see this first website over here. So you just have to click on it. Okay, and then you have this option where it says add to a browser. So you just have to click on it and then click on add extension. So just wait for a couple of seconds and then you'd be able to see here the extension. So you just have to make sure that you have pinned it to your browser. So just go to your extensions and then pin the Importify. Okay, that's right. Next is we just have to go back to the Shein and then select the product that you want to import to your Shopify store. So for example, here on the men's section, I wanted to import this product to my store. So all you have to do is to click on that product. Okay, and then just click on the Importify button at the top. So you just have to make sure that this product is selling well so you can sell or get your profit to your store. So just click on the Importify at the top and then you'll be able to see this option where it says import now. So you just have to click on the import now, and then when you go to the instructions, you'll be able to see here the step-by-step guide on how you can import a product from a specific website to your Shopify store. Okay, and then you have also here the support section. And then once you have imported this product to your store, next is you just have to go to the Importify section. So once you are on the Importify section, you have this option right here at the left side. You've got the dashboard, the import list, the orders, the custom description. So all of the products that you have imported from Shein are here on the import list section. Okay, so you just have to click on it. And next thing that you should do is you have to import the product to your Shopify store. So you just have to click on the import list and then go back here, and then you just have to follow these instructions. So you have step 1, you have here step 2, and then step 3. Okay, so just go to the Importify page and then go to the import list, and then you'll be able to see there all of the products that you have imported from Shein, and then just have to move it to your Shopify store. Okay, and then once you have moved your products to your Shopify store, okay, so here is the import list. So just make sure to choose any plan. So you have the basic, the premium, and the gold. So just go to your Shopify store and go to the product section. And as you can see over here, we have successfully imported the product. So you just have to click on it. And you have here the product title, the product description, and the product pictures. So say for example, you would like to add more pictures to your product. So you can go ahead and go back to Shein and then download the important pictures or media of this product. So say for example, I wanted to upload this image to the media section. So all you have to do is to click on that picture and then right click. Then you'll be able to see this save image as, and then just download it and save it to your folder. Then once you're done, just go back to your Shopify store, then upload now. Okay, so just go to your folder and then you just have to upload your product. And once you have finalized everything over here, so you just have to go back and then make sure that this product is active, and you just have to save it. And as you can see, we have now the product that we have imported from Shein using the Importify. Okay, so just make sure to follow the step-by-step instructions so you'd be able to import a product from Shein. So say for example, you would like to import another product from Shein, so you just have to do the same. Look for a product that you think will sell very well on your store, and then just have to import it using the Importify. And if you would like to upload your own images of the product, then you can do that as well. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.